Hi, third graders. The next letter we're going to practice is capital cursive letter D. This letter is similar to the O. There is one step. You are going to begin at the top just like you did with the letter O and go down to the left. Make this loop. Go back up to where you started and then finish with this loop. Watch again carefully. On this page, you are going to trace and try. For every capital letter D you trace, you are going to try one of your own. Then you are going to do the same with the letters. In Dallas, Dover, Durham, Dwan, Darnell, and D. Notice that in these words, only the letters after the letter D are connected to each other. Once you form the D, then you are going to write the other letters. They will be connected to each other. They will not connect to the D. The sentences you're going to trace and try are Dina dined in Detroit. Trace one, try two of your own. And Dale visited Duluth. Trace one, try two on your own. When you are finished with your handwriting, save your packet in your writer's folder.